eye instead of an eraser, scissors with teeth, a mark made out of a bone, and a hand with pencils? Find out how to make college supplies for hot and cold zombies in our new video! Weird students, we are meeting today! Whoa! This zombie student is burning up! Poor Alex! This girl is pretty icy! Whoops! I didn't mean to! Alex, are you okay? While Stanley's busy defrosting Alex, we can begin our classes! Class, meet our new student! Achoo! Please come to the board! Alex, do you see this? That girl has a sharp nail sticking out of her head! She must be a zombie! Your style is telling us you are from the dangerous neighborhood up north! Shape chalk into a nail. Make 2 separate halves of the nail. Spray paint them silver. And glue them to a headband on 2 sides. Please, write your name on the board so everyone remembers it. Oh, it's gonna squeak. No, it's just chalk. Welcome to our class, Evelyn. Whoa, what a cool nail. Let's be friends! I'm Clementina! These zombies are from 2 different elements. Hot Clementina got her hand frozen, and cold Evelyn got burnt. Hi, Gert! I think I'll come back later. Class is over! Now we have our lunch break. Evelyn has her own diet. Where's my lunchbox? Oh, here it is! It's full of yummy soil! Cut a zombie cake out of foam paper. Color it with acrylic paint. Attach it to the lid of a lunchbox. Mix 3½ ounces of flour with 3½ ounces of cocoa powder, 7 ounces of sugar, 5 egg yolks, and 5 egg whites. Make sponge cake batter. Add black food coloring. Pour the batter in a silicone mold. Bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the ready sponge cake in the lunchbox. Put gummy worms on top and sprinkle with shredded coconut. Evelyn! Your lunch looks so yummy! This is hand-picked mud from Iceland, and the filling is yummy ice worms! Ew! Disgusting! Can I try it? No, Stan! Don't! Oh no! He's frozen! Stanley! Guys, would you like some? No? Whatever! Clementina also has special taste in food. She has a hot, sweet brain for lunch. Dissolve yellow, red, and orange gelatin in water. Heat it up in a microwave. Pour the gelatin into a silicone brain mold. Let it harden. Put the ready jelly brain in a big jar. Brains are very nutritious, and you warm up right after you eat it. Stanley unfreezes quickly. Want some brain? No! Oh, my friend! You're alive! Alex, let's save ourselves! Origami class! Fold paper and cut it. I did the first part, but I don't have anything to cut paper with. Clementina, can I borrow your knife? Nah, it's way too red and hot. That won't do. And this is much better. A sharp icicle for icy origami. Apply drips of hot glue to a utility knife. Shape an icicle. Sprinkle it with a lot of glitter. Whoa! What a beautiful icicle! Too bad it won't help us. We got clumps of paper instead of origami. Your assignment is on the board. Do the exercise. What? Hey, Clementina, are you with us? Come out of your zombie coma and work. I need scissors. When everything goes wrong, keep calm and brush your teeth. Make a lot of teeth from polymer clay. Attach a strip of pink polymer clay to scissors. Shape gums. Attach the teeth. Shape teeth on both blades of the scissors. Bake according to the clay package instructions. Oh, teeth! I have an idea! Fan, have you seen thy teeth? Clementina, cut them out! Oh no! Whoops! Stanley, it was just a joke! Art class! Where's my art hand? Here it is! Make holes on the fingers of a rubber glove and put colored stencils in them. Fasten the glove on the neck of a bottle and fill it with water. Freeze it. Then take the glove off the icy hand. Hi, guys! Oh gosh! Guys, what's wrong? We need to apply something cold to his skin. Alex, wake up! Oh, that feels so good! What a weird guy. It's just my pencil stand. Alex, wake up! We're in the middle of class. Who knows the right answers to the question? Raise your hand. I know! Here's my hand! Take some crayons of warm shades and melt each color separately. Put a candle wick in each finger of a pre-made hand mold. Pour in melted crayons layer by layer. Wait for them to harden. Cut the cup and take the hand out of the mold. What's this? The hand is on fire! Red alert! Everyone get out! Fire! Clemmy, don't move! I'll put it out! Calm down, Mr. Cosine. Nothing is on fire now. We are discussing a new topic. Everyone understands it except for Clementina. It's just chemistry. What's so hard about it, zombie? Evelyn wants to help her friend out. Clemmy, don't be dumb. Whoops! Your eye! Sorry, I didn't mean to. Clemmy, is this yours? An eye! Coat an empty EOS container with white acrylic paint. Create a red and black zombie eye with acrylic paint. Add white highlights and some red drips. Put in a kneaded eraser. Shape it like an EOS. Don't be so scared! It's just my eraser! I'll fix the mistake and put the eye back. There you go! Now everything is crystal clear! I'm out of ink! Hey, guys! Who has a pen? Alex? Evelyn? I'm gonna come up with something right now! Here you go! Is that your bone? Wrap a marker in white light clay. Shape a bone. Add a cut around the cap. This is Evelyn's bone! Phew! I was just seeing things! Stanley, it's a marker! Take the cap off and write, but it doesn't work! I can't see anything! This bone is broken! Stan, I'm gonna help you out! Fire again? Why? Now try it! The icy marker works perfectly on black burnt paper! What does Clementina have on her desk? A pendant! That's weird, because I have one just like it! Put polymer clay in a detachable heart pendant. Shape a heart. Make 2 pendants of different colors and cut them in half. Connect the 2 different halves. Make a rib pattern from strips of white clay. Add a little blue clay heart. Put eye pins in both halves. Bake according to the clay package instructions. Put the ready pendants on matching cords. Let's see. If you connect them, you get a heart. Oh, we're humans again! Ew, disgusting! We should stay away from this pendant. Did you like our cold and hot zombies? Then comment below and tell us which college supplies you like the most. A lost eye, an icy hand, or scissors with teeth. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new zombie ideas from Troom.